Hello everyone, my name is Iliana Villalobos, and I'd like to welcome you all to the campaign kickoff for our wonderful Judge Leticia Hinojosa. Can we please all give her a round of applause? I'm a new lawyer here in McAllen, and when Judge Leticia Hinojosa asked me to give the introductions, to introduce her, I was just so incredibly honored. I called all my family, I called all my friends, because for me, this is just incredible. She's like such a huge role model to me. And I'm nervous right now because I see this is just such a big honor for me. So I'd like to thank you for asking me, Judge Leticia Hinojosa. It means a lot. She is someone who I admire not only for her character, for her legal experience and all of her accomplishments, but her public servant's heart. And I know if she's running a race, it's because she is the best candidate for the position. She is the most qualified, the best one for the job. So I stand by her 100%. My family stands by her, and we are going to support her all the way. Judge Leticia Hinojosa is definitely the most experienced and qualified candidate for this position. She went to the University of Texas School of Law in Austin, the top law school of the nation. She became a licensed attorney at the age of 23. From then on, she practiced as a litigator. She went on to be a county court judge, a district court judge, and then into the Court of Appeals. So she definitely has the experience, I would say so. But something that makes it even more impressive, that blows my mind, is that in those positions as a judge, she was the first female judge in all of South Texas. And that really is not something that's easy to do. It's not just inspirational to Latinas, to women, to Hispanic people. That's an inspiration for everyone, for men, women, little boys and girls who have a dream, but they don't see anyone in that position who's doing what they want to do. But they're the first one, they're the leaders in their community, and they step forward, they have the courage, and they know that they are qualified and that they can do it. And they have the people behind them too, because they know that she is the best candidate for the position. So she is an inspiration to everyone in the community. And apart from that, she's an inspiration to all of the professionals in the community, because she has such a big heart, where it's not like she was at the top of where she was and then she just forgot about everyone else, but she is constantly giving back to her community. And I have to say that is one of the most impressive things, because she doesn't have to do that. On top of all of the hard work that she puts into her legal career and getting to where she is now, she always takes time out of her day to give back, to attend different events supporting local arts, supporting education, supporting young lawyers, supporting everyone. And that's actually where I became to know Justice Leticia Hinojosa, because when I passed the bar exam, I tried to get involved in these events, but I was scared. I didn't know too many people. And here she was, this very prestigious woman who was so accomplished. And every time I saw her, without a doubt, she was just so friendly and kind and welcoming. I feel like I'm gonna cry, sorry. And she is just such a special, incredible person. And it really not everyone will do that. Not everyone will go to new people and try to take them under their wing and help them out and encourage them. And when you do that, not only in the community service that she does by serving on several boards, by getting involved with the Texas Bar, volunteering her time, helping out with GASA, helping out with South Texas Literacy, on top of all of that, she goes out of her way to mentor young lawyers, men and women. Not just the women, she tries to help everyone. And when you go out of your way and you go up to someone and you make them feel valued, you make them feel important, that can change someone's life. And I know she's done that for me, so I can imagine all the people that you've helped in your time. So thank you for that. On top of that, I could just go on and on about all of the incredible things that she has done, because I really do believe she is such a role model for everyone. In this position that she's running for the Justice of the 13th Court of Appeals, she definitely, on top of being qualified, everyone in the legal community, all of the lawyers, my parents have been lawyers for 30 years, and they know her reputation, that she is not biased, that she is fair, that when you go into her court, you're going to have a fair ruling, that you're not going to be a certain way because she likes the other side more. No, she leaves all of that behind, because she knows the role of a judge, and that's to be neutral, that's to follow the law, and only the law, and that is what she does. She was recently awarded, I was looking at her Facebook page to kind of see a little bit more, and she posted how the Texas Bar, the lawyers themselves, actually voted her to be one of the most nonpartisan candidates running for this. So that is very impressive. You have the attorneys voting on that. And then also another very special detail, I think, which is really cool. If you look around, you see a lot of purple everywhere, right? And when I knew that she was doing her campaign colors purple, I was thinking like, well, that's a pretty color, it's like royalty. And I asked her, like, why'd you choose purple? So what she explained to me is that when you're a judge, you're supposed to be neutral. You're nonpartisan, but you have the different political sides, you have the red and the blue. So when you combine them together, you're neutral, that's purple. So to me, that was just a beautiful detail I wanted to let you guys know. I think that's really cool. That just shows you the type of person that she is down to the core, that that's just who she is, that she truly fits in the role as a judge and as a justice at this level that she's running for re-election. So this is the type of candidate we need. Someone who has the experience, who has the qualifications, who has the heart to be a public servant and to give back and to really fit their role for what they're running for. Not for prestige, not to push some type of political agenda, but truly to serve the people and to serve them as best as she can, and we know that she's going to do that. So when it's time to vote, I hope to see all of you out there, that you bring out your family, your friends, you get a crowd together. When my family goes anywhere, we take like a crowd of 15 to vote, and we take a picture because we think that's important to show people that voting is so important. People have fought so long and hard for your right to vote, and your vote does count. We're the people choosing our elected officials. So that's on us, and we need more people like Judge Leticia Hinojosa in office. We need to keep her in office, so I hope to see all of you there when it's time to vote, and that we all support Judge Leticia Hinojosa. Thank you.